Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Mr. Raglan, and in this video I will be continuing our discussion on linear relationships. In previous videos we discussed looking at linear relationships in a table, and we've also talked about linear relationships being represented by a linear equation. And in this video I'm going to show you how we can represent linear relationships on a graph. And that's very important because linear relationships should create a straight line when we graph the relationship. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm still using the same example where we have Jody paying $5 per ticket and a one-time $2 convenience fee. So the number of tickets is going to represent my x values, and my total cost is going to represent my y values. Now, on a graph, you have your y and your x axes. So your y axis is right here, and your x axis is going horizontally. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my values that are in the table and create ordered pairs with those values. So I have 0, 2, and let me just back up just a second. If you aren't familiar with ordered pairs, your x values go first and then your y values go second. So here I have, ew, that's ugly parenthesis. There we go. So I've got, when x is 0, I still have to pay $2. When I buy one ticket, I'm paying $7. 2 and 12, 3, 17. All right, so there we go. Now that I've got my ordered pairs, I'm just going to graph them on the graph, okay? So when x is 0, y is positive 2. So x is 0, y should be about right in there. I'm just going to put a point, and I'm actually going to do that in a different color. There we go. When x is 1, y is 7. X is 2, y is 12. X is 3, y is 17. 4, 22. 5, 27. And there you go. So if you look at the points that I've plotted, you can see that the points form a straight line. So hence the name linear relationship. And you can also see that if you analyze the points, let me get a different color to do that. All right, we can still analyze our values and compare the change in each quantity. Okay, so as my x values increase by 1, I see that my y values increase by 5. So each time I go over to the right 1, I have to also go up 5. So each time I buy one ticket, I have to add $5. So you can see that this graph still represents that concept of constant rate of change. Okay, as one value changes by a constant amount, the other value is also going to change by a constant amount. So there you go. Linear relationships represented by a graph. Thanks for watching.